5 to 10 centimeters of snow or icy rain, which will make the roads slick. January 2nd, 2022. 2222. Welcome to LaLaWorld Weather Report. The rain has started. It will turn to icy rain, but the wind warning is picking up. Behold. Well, it's surfing weather. Wow! That is incredible. That's the man I want to marry. This is the man I want to marry. Right here, right now. Wetsuit included. I want to wear a wetsuit at the wedding. Wow. Reporting live from Balkan Beach, Balkan Bay, January 2nd, 2022. I found the man I want to marry. There he goes. Ooh, come back. I'll get you a hot cup of tea. There's a redwood too on the property. It's an actual redwood. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's what's scary about being surrounded by all the trees. Ooh, there it is. Oh, whoa. There's that tree. Oh well. Marty Poppins won't be flying today. I think my surfer hopefully is safe and sound, but I have soup on the stove for him. Who needs Tofino? Whoa! Oh my goodness. Over the house. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. My hair. Oh. Goodness gracious. It's dangerous to be outside. Oh, perfect. A delicious big pot of vegetable chicken bouillon soup. This is Julia Child Adventurer, otherwise known as #Nordic, prepared for when the power goes out and a storm alert is forecast, and we're in the middle of it here. Oh, where's my surfing man in the rubber suit? Let's go have some soup today on the Nordic Chef. Reporting live, naked, polar bear, Canadian polar bear. Oh, is it ever stormy out? Oh, the power is out. I had a quick shower. I'm not gonna do a polar bear snow bath today. Oh, reporting live. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh, don't carry away my log. Oh. Oh. Ah, the power of the sea.
Safe and sound. You can put the tent right here. You can put the tent right here. Oh! Well, I asked for more life in 2022, and I got it. Thank you, universe. Woo! Isn't Mother Nature amazing? Ave Maria, gratia plena.